Morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Eyes also coming up. Before coming to my presentation, I have something to tell to all of you. This is not the first time I present before a lot of people. It's also not my first time I present in Philippines, but it's my first time I present in a big event like this. So if I a little bit nervous or I spell something not correct, please forgive me. Thank you. And before I started, so my friend there, Ryan, he told me that most of the attendees for today come from a partner and system integrator. So may I ask all of you a question that how many people here used to sell cybersecurity solutions to your client? Anyone can ever sell cybersecurity solution? Can raise your hand? Not too much. I think it's quite good. So I have more opportunity to open and to share more the information and our experience in cybersecurity to all of you. Well, so as my colleague Sharin has introduced, I am currently the Director of Global Business and Partnership from Viettel Cybersecurity. For the company introduction for the next session, my colleague Ian Palata will tell more about you. But just for quick, Viettel Cybersecurity currently is the biggest cybersecurity firm in Vietnam, and I believe one of the biggest cybersecurity firm in ASEAN. And currently, I have the responsibility for develop the global business for our company, and I also former is the chief strategy officer of my company for almost 7 years. And from the beginning of this year, I changed to the new role to have the company expand and support more partners, more clients overseas. Well, my presentation today we have only two parts. The first one, just want to share and show you some number of Philippine cybersecurity landscape based on our research. And the second part is also based on our experience in the cybersecurity for more than 10 years. I also want to share some recommendations.
Digital future, a secure digital future. Together we navigate the complex cybersecurity landscape and build a resilient environment against cyber adversaries. Thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion. Let's embark on this journey towards a more secure and protected digital realm. Before I give the mic to the next speaker, I'd like to introduce our guest from Vietnam Viettel team, Mr. Nam Nguyen, Director of Global Business and Partnership. Mr. Thomas, Global Solution Consultant. I think we have 5 booths out there on 5 products of Viettel. So Mr. Thomas is busy also helping demonstrating the products outside. Ms. Andrea, Global Marketing Manager. Ms. Grace, Global Channel Manager. Mr. Ian Palata, Regional Philippine Sales Director. Ms. Jalene Caridad, Business Development Director for Viettel Philippines. Again, thank you very much for joining us today. We'll be here for any questions. And have a good day.
Kaming ibibigay kapag nasagot niyo yung mga tanong namin. Alright? Okay, gutom na ba? 15 minutes na lang, no? Anyway, so before we start, I wanna know, no? So feeling ko lahat na nandito, majority or more or less, partners, selling different products and solutions. The question right now, tapos na ba kayong magbenta ng bakal? Yan Yung question, no? Marami pa bang bumibili ng infrastructure, network devices, and other security, other tools na requirement ng mga boxes? That's why you're here, no? Maybe you are interested in checking how we can help you sell cyber security. Okay? Some of the vendors right now are asking for some investment. For you to become a partner of a specific product, you need to invest tens of millions. You need to buy a volume license for you to become a managed service partner. Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? May mga ganon. But with Vietel, what we're offering right now, as a partner, together with Banbros, all you have to do is resell our services. And you will be the one to pitch our products and services, then we will be the one to support it for you. Okay? Parang yung box na binibenta natin before, now it's with services. Okay? So ang tanong, sino ba si Vietel Cybersecurity? New player, bagong dating from Vietnam. Sino ba to? Alright? So to begin with, Vietel means Vietnam Telecom. Vietnam Telecom is the biggest telco in Southeast Asia. We are bigger than the telco, the biggest telco here in the Philippines. Okay? We are under Vietel Group, and Vietel Group, hindi lang sila sa telco. May cybersecurity, they have real estate, they have constructions, and many more. Okay? Now, Vietel Cybersecurity has been in the industry for about 10 years. We are very strong in Vietnam. In fact, hundreds of millions of dollars. Kami ang number one in terms of cybersecurity in Vietnam. That is why, last year, we have decided to expand globally. We also have presence in Japan and 11 countries na nando sila Timor-Leste, mga poor countries. No? Why we are also there? No? Bakit kayo nandun? Because we also have telcos there. So malakas ang telco business namin sa 11 countries na yan. Go back to the Philippines. We have seen that Philippines is an emerging market. Okay? Walang masyadong resources or walang masyadong cybersecurity experts. So with that, we are going to help you, no, to provide this yung mga lacking na yan. Alright? So we have more than 500 plus employees globally. Here in the Philippines, tatlo kami. I'm the country manager. We also have a business development director, and we also have a pre-sales. Okay? Now, together with Banbros, we will expand, no, the business together with partners. We have received numerous awards, no, from different organizations. Isa sa mga recent award na na-receive namin, if you know CyberSec Asia, nagkaroon sila ng event dito sa Philippines, no, January or February, we were awarded, we were recognized as the best in managed security service provider for Asia.
We attacked more than 17,000, and the vulnerability is quite high. It's very important number, 7 terabyte encrypted data is for the first half of this year. For more detail, you can see here for the ransomware attack. The data encrypted in ransomware by country. It's so sad, but my country, Vietnam, is the highest one targeted for ransomware attack in the first half of this year, for more than 3 terabyte. Philippines is also in the top 5 with half a terabyte encrypted data by ransomware. And the most active ransomware group in Asia, in APAC, is the Lockbit and Broadcast. Last 2 months, with our cybersecurity in Vietnam, we have to support for almost 30 clients in Vietnam under the attack by ransomware. And as a result, the impact to the business is quite bad. A lot of companies, especially in the securities and finance, has stopped the business for at least 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, for the next one is some number about the brand abuse. Brand abuse means someone create a website with the same domain and the same look with the website, but it may impact to the end user when they access to the fake website, and it may take some criminal activity. You may not know what can be happen in the future. So the total phishing attack in first half of this year, you can see focus more on the banking and e-commerce. It's very easy to understand because this kind of industry, people always have to go online and do everything on the internet. And some more is compromised credential and data risk. And for the next session, my colleague Jan will present about our company profile and our solution can be met with the cyber threat for now. Okay, so let's start. Sorry. This is a some common number of the cybersecurity market in Philippines. The annual growth rate is 19%. With the market size for this year is around 250 million US dollar. If compared to my country, the annual growth rate in Philippines a little bit higher. In Vietnam, the annual growth rate is around 15 to 16%. And the annual growth rate of Philippine market currently is the highest country in ASEAN.